On This is a full-service contract manufacturer that specializes in sheet metal fabrication. What do I mean by full service? We supply a finished product including powder coating, silkscreen, engraving, anodizing, plating, fastener and bracket installation. We even do semi or complete box builds. Let's take a look at some of our sheet metal components. Over here you see some CNC stamped parts, like the simple box, this simple box here, the simple aluminum box here. We have a steel part that's been stamped and then has tapped holes and then been plated. We have a simple steel part that's been stamped and then powder coated. As we move over here, you start seeing a little bit more complicated part. This is a fairly complicated part with fasteners that have been installed. As we move over here, you see some powder coated aluminum parts with silk screening, aluminum part with just silk screening, a stainless steel part that's been silk screened, and then a fairly complicated silk screened aluminum part. As we start moving over, we even get even more complicated parts. As you see here, these are chassis. The bottom chassis is showing you a multicolored silkscreen part. The top part is showing you a single color silkscreen part, but you can see a lot of masking that's been done to it. The top part is a stainless steel part. All three parts, you see a multitude of fasteners, and then on this top part you can see where we spot welded two parts together. As we move over here, you start seeing some more traditional stamped parts. These are beryllium copper parts, nickel that's been copper that's been nickel plated, aluminum, tin steel part that's been soldered together. Over here, as we move, aluminum part that's been anodized. As we move over here, you start seeing some lasered parts. This is a laser stainless steel part, and these are a couple parts that aluminum parts have been laser cut. Here's an example of one of our semi-box build parts, where you see a multitude of parts that have been put together, including foam and a cable assembly. And then this is a sheet metal part where we put thorough pads and an EMI bead on it. As we move over here, you see some of our engineered products. This is where somebody sent us a PCB board and then we designed a box around it. This is a computer where somebody needed a heat sink, die-cast heat sink on top and then a simple sheet metal box on the bottom. This one here, the customer wanted a little bit better faceplate, so we manufactured an extruded faceplate with engraving and stainless steel buttons, and then a simple box, sheet metal box around it. This is a full-service contract manufacturer. We can take your drawing and manufacture the product for you, or we can take your concept and do the design work for you also. If you'd like more information about Eye On This, please contact us at info@eyeonthis.com. That's info@ionthis.com. Thank you.